Goa is just not a tourist destination, it is a well-known touristic destination. Not just in this country, but it is one of the well-known touristic destination in the world, I would say. The touristic arrival every year are continuously increasing, and therefore to keep up to the requirement of the tourists, we need to provide all good facilities right from the point they land here at Dabolim to the time they take off from Dabolim. Government is doing all possible efforts to improve touristic facilities, all possible type of touristic facilities. For instance, on River Mandovi we had 2 bridges, we are putting a 3rd bridge to reduce congestion, traffic congestion. Zuari has 1 bridge. Now, while proposing another bridge, we are placing it in such a way that the bridge is being tendered for 940 crores, whereas its approach roads on either side, one connecting towards Margam, which lands at Verna on that hillock. The estimate of this approach road, which has flyover, is exceeding the cost of the bridge. It is something like 960 or 970 crores. The approach roads towards Panjim is again costlier than the bridge and this approach. It is 970 crores, which will land at Shirgaon, and I hope that the smart Wi-Fi that has been launched here will be best used and will be of great use to the passengers using this. Goa as such, we require many more facilities, and if we all work together hand in hand for the welfare of this tiny state, I think this could be the first smart state